Incredible Italian Meatballs. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1/4 cup grated parmesan, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 1 clove garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup marinara sauce, no sugar added. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a bowl, mix together ground beef, parmesan, parsley, and garlic. 3. Season with salt and pepper. 4. Form the mixture into meatballs and arrange on a baking sheet. 5. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until cooked through. 6. Heat the marinara sauce in a skillet. 7. Add the cooked meatballs and simmer until heated through. Macros: calories, 400 fat, 30 g protein, 25 g carbs, 10 grams.